Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable and where to find the Wi-Fi calling option on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, to enable or disable that option, first go to Settings and find Connections, and now tap on Mobile Networks. As you can see, we have the Wi-Fi calling option here, and remember that this option will be only enabled if you have a SIM card inserted in your phone, and this will make you, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, connect while calling, for example, to someone using Wi-Fi and not your SIM card. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.